welcome to my channel. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can use petroleum jelly 3 different ways on your skin. We're going to take care of our hair. We're going to take care of dry, cracked, rough looking feet, ears, elbows, and knees. We're also going to take care of the lips. So let's get in the kitchen and start these recipes. Now take a look at what I have here. Here I have some petroleum jelly. What you might not be aware of is that this is a humectant and it will help to lock the moisture in the skin. Therefore, when you use petroleum jelly on your feet, it will help to soften, it will help to get rid of the callus from your feet, and it will help your feet to look soft, hydrated, and just smooth looking. So what I'm going to be using from the petroleum jelly is about 2 tablespoons of the petroleum jelly. So let's pour this in. So about 2 tablespoons of the petroleum jelly. And what I like to do, I like to soften the petroleum jelly before I add other ingredients. So just warm that petroleum jelly. And I like to use a wooden bowl, but you can choose to use a glass bowl. It doesn't really matter once you soften that petroleum jelly. We're making a foot cream. Now we're going to move on to my next ingredient. Now my next ingredient is coconut oil, and coconut oil, like the petroleum jelly, works the same way on the skin. It is a humectant, so it locks that moisture in the skin. It is great for dry skin, cracked ears, elbows, joints. It is just an amazing oil to use to lock moisture in the skin. So I'm going to use about a tablespoon of the coconut oil. Pour this in with the petroleum jelly. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. And then we're just going to blend this in the petroleum jelly. We're just going to mix this in. And take a look at my next ingredient. Here I have some aloe vera gel, very hydrating, very smoothing on the skin. Aloe vera gel will help to soften those cuticles. It will help to soften those callus. It will help to get rid of those rough looking ears. Just another natural ingredient for your skin. So I'm using a tablespoon of the aloe vera gel, and now I'm going to mix this in, the petroleum jelly and the coconut oil, and we're going to mix well. This is going to soften the petroleum jelly and the coconut oil, making it into a cream. So go ahead and mix well. Slowly mix it in. Now once this is done, now let's reach for our small container. We're going to scoop this in. And take a look, here it is. This is your foot cream made out of petroleum jelly. Use this on your feet daily. Just apply it on your feet, put your socks on, go to sleep with it, and wake up with soft looking feet. Good to use every day on your feet. So here you have one way of using petroleum jelly on the skin. Now before you go, take a quick look at this recipe. Now to use petroleum jelly as a lip balm, all you need to do is to take about a teaspoon of the petroleum jelly. You're going to add the petroleum jelly to your small bowl. This is going to get rid of cracked, dry lips. Next, we're going to reach for some jojoba oil. We're going to add about a half a teaspoon of jojoba oil. Next, I'm going to add some peppermint oil, and it's very strong, so all we need is about 3 drops of the peppermint oil. And now we're going to blend the 3 ingredients together. We're mixing petroleum jelly, jojoba oil, and peppermint oil. This is to moisturize your lips and keep your lips soft and hydrated. So mix well. Just slowly blend it in. And now, here you have it, your lip moisturizer. Take a little bit, apply it on your lips for smooth, soft lips. And that's the second way that you can use your petroleum jelly. Now let's move on to our third remedy. So now we're going to use about a teaspoon of petroleum jelly. And this one we're going to warm it up in our bowl. A teaspoon of the petroleum jelly. Go ahead and warm it up. This is going to help to thicken your brows. And next we're going to reach for some castor oil. You can choose to use the white castor oil, or you can use the black castor oil, or you can mix the both together. All we need is about a teaspoon of the castor oil. Pour that in. And now we're going to just mix castor oil and petroleum jelly. Mix well, soften the petroleum jelly with the castor oil. And this is going to help to thicken your brows. So mix and mix well. Now once this is done, you can go ahead and you can store this in a small jar. And here you have it, your brow remedy. Take a little bit of this, apply it on your brows. This is also good for your lashes. And guess what? You're on your way to thicker brows. You can also choose to use this in your hair on bald spot. It will help to regrow your hair. And you can also choose to use this as an ear oil for your hair care. And there you have it, 3 ways of using petroleum jelly. And there you have it. Thank you all for watching. You like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, and your comments are always welcome. So go ahead, comment, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.